Hi, this is Pete from East Coast. In the HVAC world, duct cleaning is a very misunderstood service. We know people wonder what the process is like and if it's really worth it. Today, with the help of Scott, our duct cleaning division lead, we're going to walk you through our professional process step by step and hopefully answer some of the questions you might have. By the way, if you haven't seen our video where we debunk myths about duct cleaning, click the card in the top right corner now to check it out. First things first, there are a few simple questions we need to go over with the homeowner before we get started. These include asking if there are any existing issues with the system and where we can find a 20 amp outlet to power our negative air machine. Once we have an idea of the layout of the home, we're able to bring in all our materials and tools, including the real star of the show, the TurboJet Max. We always make sure to lay down drop cloths to protect your floors and leave your home looking cleaner than when we arrived. Next, we will locate, remove, and finally clean all registers, making note of the dirtiest boots and diffusers. The registers then need to be taped off before setting up for the main event. Now back down to the basement, where in this case we will cut a 12-inch hole on the supply trunk and connect a 12-inch collar. This allows us to attach and secure the hose from the TurboJet Max. In some homes, this may be done on the main level or even on a ceiling register. The air filter is removed and placed in a plastic bag. A piece of cardboard is fit snug in the system to protect the unit's coil and heat exchanger from debris. Now for the fun part. Our specialty tools include a powered brush and a compressed air whisk to get the job done right. Depending on the type of ductwork in your home, we decide which tools will be most effective and safest for your system. With the help of our East Coast Snake Cam, we are able to assess existing conditions and we guarantee to leave your ducts clean as a whistle. Foam is used to block off the current opening we are working on, increasing air velocity and keeping dust from entering your home. Okay, back to it now. We start our cleaning process at the register furthest from our negative air machine, retaping and sealing the ducts as we go. All of the branch runs are generally done first, moving debris down the trunk and towards our vacuum. Next, the supply trunk is cleaned using the powered brush. Once this is complete, we move on to the return registers, repeating the same cleaning steps for an all-around thorough clean. To finish off the job, we replace the air filter, seal up the main unit, replace the registers, clean up any debris, and finally do a test of the system to make sure everything is running correctly before we head out. Check out all the nasty dirt and debris that the TurboJet Max captures with its HEPA filtration system. Don't worry, we'll get rid of that for you. Now the only thing left to do is enjoy your fresh, dust-free, clean air.